हो गया ग्रिल?
Yeah.
Yay! Hey guys, welcome back to another beautiful day and a beautiful vlog. And you guys saw that they brought us a grill, so thank you for that. And these guys got us some grill, and they have been assembling it because the Labor Day weekend is here. So welcome to the Labor Day weekend vlog. And we are prepping this weekend to grill some amazing stuff. So basically that's gonna happen today. Tanya is at work, I have a day off today, and Marvel is not around. The reason for that is because he's at the doctor's. He had his dental appointment today. So just a little dental cleaning. His teeth are just fine. I just had a call with the doctor and everything looks good. And he's gonna have his regular annual exam and the shots for Bordetella and lab process. So he's getting all those vaccinations done. His nails are trimmed and fine, and then he has these shining teeth and everything. So the handsome boy is gonna be soon in this vlog, so be patient for that. I know you guys wait for him. Until then, you can meet this little guy. Hey Astro, can you say hi? Can you say hi? Yes. Are you missing Marvel today? Are you missing Marvel today? Where is Marvel, Astro? He has been missing him because normally they just run around when they wake up. So yes, that's what's going on. Now, since Tanya is at work and I have like 2 hours before I might have to go and pick Marvel, we are actually just cleaning the house, organizing everything for the evening to do the grilling and stuff. The chicken has been not marinating, it has been defrosting here, so I'm gonna marinate it once we are done with the cleaning part, and then we're gonna marinate it, keep it inside, and do some grilling. So stay tuned for the rest of the vlog. Show you that I'm done with these two things over here. So this is the chicken, and these are the wings. Chicken has a typical marination that we do with Greek yogurt, coriander, and all of that stuff, garam masala, lemon, and chili. And now we are marinating paneer. So we are doing the sweet chili, and we are doing paneer, and we are doing onion, and we are gonna just marinate it and keep it. Okay guys, so a couple days back Ashley made this cake. Don't know what the name of the cake is. She had bunch of things in there: sweetened coconut, condensed milk, coconut cream, and the base layer of the cake. But let me tell you this is super delicious, super duper delicious. I'll ask Ashley or Tanya to do a recipe on this, because if you have not eaten this, you are missing a big part. I'm done marinating my chicken and paneer. For paneer marination, I use tawa fry masala, and it's gonna taste amazing. It's a dry marination without any yogurt in it, just some oil, tawa masala, salt, red chili, and all that stuff. So I'm very excited for tonight. So I hope you guys are excited for Labor Day weekend too. We are just doing our grilling and everything today. We may do it again, but happy Labor Day once again. Stay tuned for the grilling. So I'm heading out to pick up Marvel, and maybe I'll pick Tanya up if she's free by then. I have put this little guy back in the crate. Yeshu and Ashley are not at home. They are running some quick errands. They had to mail some papers out and things like that. So let me take my phone, and then Astro, I'm gonna be back soon, okay? You stay home. Alright guys, I won't be able to take the camera with me, so I'm gonna see you guys with Marvel once he's back. I'll let him relax for a little bit and then I'll vlog and show you guys how is he feeling. I just came back from picking Marvel. He's over there. He's very sleepy because he's still nauseating from the anesthesia, so he's resting right now. I don't think he wanted to eat. I gave him a little treat, but I don't think he wanted to eat, and he didn't want to drink water or anything, so I guess he's gonna rest for some time, and when he wakes up, that's when I'm gonna feed him something, probably straight away dinner now, or a treat in between if he wakes up early. I bought him a toy, and I don't know if he still wants to play with a toy. So for now, I think all he wants is to rest. So that's what I'm gonna let him do. And Tanya should be home in another 20 minutes. She must be dying, I'm telling you, to see him. Tanya is back, and she is trying to mimic Astro, I guess, because she's like trying to lie down the same way as he is.
Frog way.
Just like a frog. Look at him from behind. And Marvel is sleeping over there. He is not waking up. He is drunk. Alright, so I was left sleeping and everybody disappeared from the house. So Ashley and Nitish and Tanya, they went. They were supposed to just go to Walmart and bring some stuff for grilling, but apparently they went to Walmart, they went to Starbucks, they went to Marshalls. So they just took the whole route. Good for me, because I wake up to these dope shoes. Do tell me in the comments how you like my shoes. Tanya got me these shoes. These are Jordan shoes, and I absolutely love them. Look at that design. So do let me know how you like those shoes. And she did get all the grilling stuff. I'll show you in the evening. For now it's already 6:15, and in 15 minutes we'll just feed the boys and take them for a walk. He is still very calm and composed and silent. He is still recovering, so we are just gonna feed them in some time and take them for a walk and then start our grilling.
This door. We are setting up the grill outside. Right here.
Bus. Baby, you having fun?
Yes. So excited to eat them.
So our grilling is going on, and you can see it's a coal grill, so it takes some effort of blowing up.
A little bit hard work.
And this, because where you have to just do this, and then there we go. Yep. So all you need is this. Oh my god, it smells so goddamn good, and it's still going on there. It is super hot. Oh boy. But I think it's all gonna pay off as soon as we start eating all that good stuff.
Yeah.
I think we only have paneer to go because it's super quick. So by the time, and pineapple, so both of them are super quick, and all the meat and potatoes should be done. Babe, you excited?
Yeah, very excited.
Ashley, how do you feel?
Super excited. You see the charcoal color in that? Like,
that's the real deal! We all are super excited, we all are super hungry as the food is coming in, and so there are some people in this house who are thinking that this may not be enough, so we'll see how the day goes.
it's all more, right?
Look at that paneer! And we have some sweet peppers and onions, they are almost done. So look at that grill, and the coal and the color on it. You can smell it from here, so I can bet it's gonna be super delicious.
We are gonna serve on our plate and then show you our plate.
Okay, so we are watching a movie on Hulu that says I Feel Pretty. So once again, happy Labor Day weekend from all of us, for all the hard workers out there, and we are gonna go enjoy this amazing meal. Alright, that's Tanya's plate with all the chicken, and it's topped with a little sesame seed over here, some potatoes, some grilled pineapple, some grilled paneer, and sweet peppers and onions. Ooh la la. Mr. Nishina, you did a great job.
Thank you, thank you.
He was the guy on the grill.
Yes.
Okay, so the sound that you're hearing behind me is Marvel's car seat getting washed up. It has few things that makes that kind of sound. Luckily our washer dryer is way away from us, so we're gonna sleep. We totally forgot that we were vlogging. The food was that good, but here we are. Didn't completely forget about you. I just finished a quick photo session because I have a few things to submit with Tanya, and now look at all that stuff we got done today. Look at this huge list of stuff. So I'm not sure what we are really doing next because we just finished a movie, I Feel Pretty, and that movie was really good. So if you have Hulu subscription and if you can watch a movie, the movie's name is I Feel Pretty. So go ahead, watch that movie out. The message of the movie is good and the movie itself is hilarious, so I'm sure you'll get a good laugh. For now, Tanya is doing something. Or she's putting some laundry out. Marvel is still a little low, kind of. Here he is. Marvel. What are you doing, baby? Where are you going? You don't want to be on the camera? You're not feeling yourself today? So this is where they actually shaved him to give him on the IV, and he is just wanting so many treats today. I'm just spoiling him today. Hi, you can have a Cheeto. Yes, it's okay. He has been feeling a little low. He is still recovering from the delayed effect of anesthesia. So I guess he'll feel better by tomorrow once he's fully rested. For now, I think everybody's just gonna go lie down. I think she's gonna watch Cobra Kai. I am not sure. Not sure if she'll be hungry in an hour, and I might be cooking again in the kitchen. So but if that happens, I'll put a little note here. But for now, I think I'm gonna say my goodbyes and see you guys in another vlog, and until then, bye!